Hi, come let's make some simple homemade fermented bread. 330 grams of water, half a teaspoon of yeast, 15 grams of oil, a little bit of nutmeg. Mix, mix, mix. 500 grams of flour. You're gonna mix it up. Make sure everything is incorporated. You can use your hands, whatever makes you comfortable. But we're just going to mix it up till everything is in there. All right, so now we're gonna get in with our hands to mix it all up properly. As always, grab your water. Just make sure there's no left out flour. Everything is incorporated in here. All right, so after everything is done in here, we are going to flip it, leave it on the counter, cover, leave it on the counter for 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes later, we are back. And as you can see, our dough is flexible. So after this, you're gonna flip it again. And we're going to cover it up again for another 30 minutes. We are back again. Okay. And look at that. Beautiful. And just take it and stretch it around. Now, we are going to leave this to slowly rise, very slowly, for 3 hours. You can leave this in the refrigerator overnight. If you're gonna do it overnight, reduce the yeast a little bit so you get that slow rise in fermentation that goes on. Okay, so we're basically fermenting our dough. See you back in 3 hours. After 3 hours, we have a nice rise. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to wet your hand, put a little bit of water here on your work surface, and we're going to flip over the dough onto our work surface. Now we're gonna do it gently because we don't wanna take out all the gas out of our dough. We want to leave some. Flip it on. You can use your hands to help. There we are. Perfect. You can put a little bit of oil on your hand. Just a little bit. Rub it in like you're putting lotion on. And all we're gonna do is shape our bread. Bring it together. Okay? Okay. So once you get it like that, you're gonna roll it, and then you roll it towards yourself. Push it towards yourself. As you push it towards yourself, you're going to feel tension. If your work surface is too slippery, all you have to do, take a paper towel and wipe it down just a tad, not all the way, and continue a few times till you feel the tension. Now we're going to put it in our baking pan and let it rise again, probably an hour or two. Here's our baking pan. This is a nonstick. Nonstick works the best, but you can put parchment paper if you don't have nonstick. I'm going to put a tiny bit of oil in my pan. Just a tiny bit. That's good right there. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want my bread at the bottom to be crispy when it bakes. Okay? There you go. So now you're going to take that and you're going to put it right in here. Very simple. Set your timer to an hour or 2 hours. When it rises, it will double till it doubles in size, and then it will be time to bake it. I am putting some rice flour on my bread because I'm getting ready to score it so that some of the gases will come out during the bake. You don't have to do this. I just like to do it just to give my bread a texture. Make it look pretty. I'm using a blade. You can use a knife, but for me, blades are sharper. So I'm just gonna cut one there, cut one there, and one right here. And it's gonna go in the oven. See you in 30 minutes. Look at that bread. Oh, nice. We're gonna let it cool for a little bit, and then we're gonna butter it up and enjoy. See the bottom? That's what the olive oil does when you put the oil at the bottom of your baking pan. Very nice. Ta-da! I'll put a little bit of butter on top. Look at that. Until next time, bon appetit.